Hello everyone, it's Hazm here from the Skills Bay and welcome to our basic Excel formulas series. In this video, we will learn how to find the lowest and highest value in a range using min and max functions. In the previous video, we talked about the sum function and we will be continuing with the same example. So let's start. To find the lowest value in Excel, we can use the min function. We start by stopping at the cell H24, the intersection of column H and row 24. In the cell, type equal min. Excel will again suggest the formula. As you can see, min is the first selected formula. Hit tab to select. Now you can add separate values. However, in this example, we will be selecting the whole range. So go ahead and select the whole range. Once selected, close the brackets and hit enter. There you go. You have the lowest value within the range. Now in the coming videos, we will be talking about how to locate the items using a more complex formulas. Now if we want to find the highest value in the range, we can repeat the previous steps using the max function. So we stop at cell H25. In the cell we type equal max, and once again Excel will suggest the formula for us, so we can hit tab to select that formula. And the same thing, we will be selecting the entire range of values that we want to process. Once selected, we close the brackets and hit enter. And there you go. Now we have our totals. We have the lowest value and the highest value within the range. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos.